In this video, we're going to 3D print the camera mount, the mounting nut, the pop filter arm, the filter, and also the custom logo to go with your microphone. Welcome to my new set of my new podcast, Clo Talks. Watching this on the education channel, but that's okay. Today's video is all about upgrading this Rode mic right here. So I was able to acquire this Rode mic for an absolute steal, and it didn't come with any of the accessories. So what I'm actually going to do is create a mount, also a pop filter, customized just for this microphone. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the computer and start designing our piece. We're gonna have to take some measurements, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, so we'll jump straight to the computer. You might see the timestamp speed by real quick, but that's okay. Check it out, and then we're gonna get to the conclusion of the video. Check out the microphone and its new upgrades, and we'll talk about the use case scenario for actually using 3D printing. All right, let's get into it. Okay, during this time, I'm basically using my calipers, making sure I take good measurements. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for the 3D printing aspect and also the drilling of the brackets, but I wanted to showcase my workflow in Blender and also in Inkscape, and I intend to have members only exclusive videos on how to go through it step by step. But in this video, it's going to be an abbreviated version. So if you are interested in learning how to 3D model or laser etch or 3D print, let me know in the comments section, or you can DM me on Instagram. And this sequence is about to transition next. Okay, in this section we have the felt disc, and I'm just showcasing here the actual file before it's cut to the laser. This is the logo piece. And here it is on the laser, looking nice and crisp. Okay, here it is completely cleaned up. That looks very sharp. All right, let's put it on the pop filter. Okay, this is everything you need for the build. So I went ahead and made my emblem just for a little, swag, a little style, a little flavor there. And want to put my emblem there. Also the back ring that holds the windscreen in from the foam we cut from the laser. This is not my original design, but I went ahead and 3D printed it. And this is a mount for the Rode microphone. And I'll leave a link in the description for this 3D print right here. Also give credit down in the description below. We also have here the mount. Now this is my original design. Everything else is my original design. All right, and this is gonna where everything houses together. And also a modified L bracket with an enlarging hole here at the end. Some screws and nuts. And also one nut with a knurled knob on it. Makes it easy to mount on your tripod or your mic arm or whatever you're mounting it to. And you're also going to need a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. The order is you're going to go with your logo ring first. Next up, your foam windscreen, custom made and cut on the laser. Next step, the backing ring. And then once everything's locked in and snaps in, we're going to glue everything down. And I'll go ahead and assemble that, and then we'll show you the finished product with it set in with the mic. Pop filter in the front. Okay, so everything in the front is the custom design we did today. The only thing I didn't design is this part in the back. I might still make my own clamp. And also custom design this nut to mount it to a tripod. So let's get it on a tripod with the mic on it and see what we look like. All right, we've got our here, fits right on. Now we take our custom made nut and screw it down. And what I really like is that thumb screw makes it easy to tighten it down nice and tight. And there's the mount right there. Looking mighty sharp right there. And we'll get some final B-roll on this thing, see how it looks on the mic arm, and then we're going to wrap this video up. All right, sounds good. I just wanted to show the camera mount fully assembled here, and it's just amazing. So we got the mount here. We've also got the pop filter right here, and I was able to customize it with my own custom logo here. Also, there is the mount here, which is not my original design, but everything else in the front is. And we also have a little nut here. So that way we can take this and mount it to our microphone arm. So let's go ahead and do that and see how the mic sounds. All right. I'm just going to take this here, screw it down. And that angle kind of makes it really nice because you can adjust it in different directions. So I'm just going to adjust it just like that. We're going to set it up. All right, and that is awesome right there. So I can go ahead and adjust every part that I need of it, all the different angles. I can turn this arm. Let me loosen it up. That's left for loose. And I can angle it however I need to, depending on what angle that I want, so the mic isn't completely in the way. And like I said, I'm just getting used to the podcasting and adjusting it. Make sure I got a good angle there. I can even come from more of a front angle like this. And I think I really like that L bracket that's there. And that's perfect. Now my mic's set up. I can just go ahead and say what I want to say on the podcast. I just want to get a quick test, see how the mic sounds. All right, now I've got the Rode mic hooked up with the new pop filter with my custom logo on it. And man, this project was a lot of fun to do. It was a little bit challenging, but at the same time, there's a lot of different elements we could have added. Instead of me using the hot glue to assemble this whole thing, we could have put clamps, or we could have used holes and screwed it down. But when you're engineering, there's a lot of things you got to consider. So I just wanted something quick, simple to go ahead and make sure that that mic is working properly. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely support the channel. When the CLO Talks channel is available, you will see the link in the video description of this video. Also, if you like gaming, go ahead and check out my gaming channel. I'm YouTube partnered over there, so if you want to drop a super thanks, join or subscribe to that channel. Links will be in the description below. Got an interesting video coming up where we're going to do some cool things with 3D printing with this bad boy right here. Definitely appreciate you tuning in on the channel. Hopefully I'll be seeing you on my Clo Talks podcast or the gaming channel. And I got much more content and channels coming your way. All right, take care. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.